My name is Jamie Roberts. I'm the owner of Siding Express, and I wanted to walk through a recent job that we've just completed. It's a job that we've done in Wildwood, and it's Navajo beige is the color. It's 8 1/4 James Hardie cedar mill, and we did all the siding, took off the masonite siding, put James Hardie wrap up, and then the 8 1/4 cedar mill Navajo beige, and we also wrapped the soffit fascia. We wrapped the fascia with aluminum and the soffit with vinyl hidden vent soffit. So let's go ahead and take a look around, and we can kind of go through everything as we did it. So let's take a look at the front elevation. What we did is all this rock was all actually caved in against the masonite siding. So we dug all that out and actually put a Borel trim board, which is a rot resistant board. Did the proper flashing for James Hardie, painted the foundation to match the siding, and then continue with the siding on up. So this is a product right now, the way it sits, it's going to last forever. We're not going to have any rot issues whatsoever. As you can see on the right elevation, this was all masonite siding. So we removed all the masonite, put a James Hardie wrap up, and then put all new Navajo beige Color Plus cedar mill on. And as you can see, the size of the wall, we have all the proper equipment to make sure we're OSHA approved, that we can get up and handle extremely large jobs like this. And on the rear elevation, the patio door was an existing door. We didn't replace that, but what we did is put the siding up to it, and then we capped the trim in aluminum coil to match the siding. We put in new light blocks. And in most cases, if the homeowner has new lights, we'll go ahead and install that free of charge, so we can put up new lights. Okay, this is the left elevation with the garage doors, and what we do is we put the siding up, and then we'll wrap the garage door jambs with matching aluminum coil, and then we also add new garage door gaskets, so everything's totally sealed and ready to go. For any of your siding needs to re-side a full house or any repairs, call Jamie Roberts at Siding Express, 636-578-0033, or our website is sidingexpress.com.